I've installed and adjusted a few doors recently, and this huge jig honestly made the whole process way easier than I expected. It clamps on solid, doesn't slip, and lines everything up clean so you not guesses or measuring over and over again. What I really like I have adjustable it is it works with different hinge size and depth while helps keep everything even so the hinges sit flush and look clean. The aluminum body feels sturdy, not flimsy, and it stays put while you're working. Even if you're not a pro, this takes a lot of stress out of door installs and replacement. It saves time, keeps things straight, and gives you a consistent result without overthinking every step. Oh, and just to be clear, this was actually gifted to me, but I've been generally using it.